What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something that we literally just reviewed and we had on a brand versus but it's in a different format. So we have the Spectracide weed and grass killer, but this one is in a foam format. So right here it says foaming edger on it. It's literally like the same thing we just reviewed. All the directions and stuff right here is on the back, but the most important thing is to make sure you wear your proper PPE, whether it's being goggles, long sleeves, long pants, boots, all the above. I know some of us, we skip some of those PPEs because, you know, we're just regular home people, average home people. You know, we're not really compliant to OSHA rules and all that stuff. Anyways, so it says it covers up to 200 linear feet. That's how much this container holds. And that's about it, you guys. And I forgot to tell y'all that, you know, with Spectracide, you got your money back guarantee, which is a plus. If you're not satisfied with this product, you guys, save your receipt. You can either go back to Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you got it from. You can, I think, call the number, I believe, to Spectracide, and they may reimburse you. So I never really took advantage of the money back guarantee because it works most of the time, like all the time really, especially this brand. So I never took advantage of the money back guaranteed. I never tried it out, so y'all can let me know if it works. That's about it. If y'all have any other questions, let me know. But right now I'm about to get to the pavers. Wherever I have weeds growing, whether it's being on the patio or the driveway, that's where I'll be spraying this stuff at. So yeah, enjoy the show. All right, you guys, so the Spectracide weed and grass foaming edger did its job. Okay, you can obviously see that the weeds are coming to an end. You can tell by the discoloration on it now. This one is changing colors as well. Alright, and that's it. I'll get with y'all with the final review. Alright, you guys, so we are about 4 days later, and I just want to say that the weed died. Or grass. This is weed and grass killer. So the weed or grass is dead, and it comes up easy. Get my little country accent. Comes up real easy. It's almost like it wasn't even there. Like, and that's it. So even over here, but this one's a little bit more rough, but you can pull it right on up. The roots are dead, and you can make your pavers look great again. Alright, you guys, that will be it with this edger. If you need something real quick, like a little quick fix, edger is good. Alright, and I like it because it's accurate when you want to spray right in the cracks. Alright, it's better than the spray. The spray is more spread out. This gets directly where you want to spray at, the direct spot. And yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.